This is Maddie with Brinkley RV, and today we're in the studio with our Model G here. As you can see, it's not your typical exterior. This is featuring our premium exterior package with full body paint. Now this is a special package that we've curated with you in mind to give you a unit that's going to last you for years to come on all your camping trips. Now let's take a deep dive and see what makes the Brinkley difference. One of the most noticeable things about our stunning exterior here is that you've got this mirror-like finish. And how do we accomplish that? It's first of all using our table glass gel coat that's on the entire exterior. Not only is this going to help prevent any orange peeling down the road, it's also going to give you a 30% thicker wall than your average fiberglass wall, and that's going to help you be more impervious to those extreme temperatures and moisture. Another part of the Brinkley difference is that we use a full cut and buff, not just your industry norm of a skim buff. The advantage of having a good buff process is that it's going to help remove any contaminants from the exterior that would contribute to a textured sidewall. We use this process on our sidewalls, your front cap, gooseneck area, your entry doors, baggage doors, your rear wall, your slide out end walls, and even your skirt metal. No one else does that. Your average skim buff is only going to cover areas like your main walls, front cap, and rear wall. Another advantage to the full cut and buff compared to the skim buff is that our package includes a reflectivity level of 10.5 out of 10.5 on the scale. Your average skim buff typically falls around the 4 to 5 mark. Another Brinkley difference you'll notice is that we have painted slide end walls. Not only does this give you a beautiful seamless paint finish, transitioning from your slide walls to your main wall, but also it means your construction is going to be the same as your main wall. This is something that is often skipped out in the towable industry for cost savings. We also use these custom silk screens on the windows that give you more privacy, but they also just look absolutely fantastic. Additionally, we've got automotive grade raised and dome lettering that's really going to turn heads. Lastly, here we have our rock shield protection that's on your gooseneck and bulkhead area. This is super important because it's going to help protect your unit from any kickback you'll get from your tow vehicle like rocks or dirt. If you do happen to get a paint chip, we do provide a paint touch-up kit in this little box that you'll get. This does also have your warranty registration information for your paint, and then also a QR code that will lead you to tips on how to take care of your paint unit, and then also just how to maximize your investment overall. If you'd like to learn more about the premium exterior package with full body paint or Model G, be sure to contact your local Brinkley dealer or visit BrinkleyRV.com.